This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by Gene Hill. Golf course view, 3 bedrooms, 2-car garage, need I say more? When you come in the front door and look out to the golf course, you'll feel like this is home sweet home. Split floor plan, laundry inside the home, large living room, and the screen lanai is huge and perfect for meals and gatherings with neighbors. Walk-in closet in each bedroom. If you don't know Sabal Springs, the people are friendly and there's so much to do, or you could relax by the community pool or dine in the brand new restaurant at the club. This is a great place to live, ask anyone. Close to Publix, restaurants and shopping, and airports. Don't hesitate. Photos are coming. For more information, review the details below.